Webflow responsive website tutorial in 2023, how to create responsive website using Webflow. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create responsive website using Webflow software. They provide us the opportunity to create it from scratch, or we can easily use their templates to customize them. So in order to get started, we need to visit webflow.com. This is our homepage, and as you can see on the top of the screen, you can find some information about their prices, products, solutions. So let's click on get started in the right top corner, and we'll come to auto authorization page where we need to create an account, or we can easily continue with Gmail as I already did. And here we are on our workspace. We have dashboard, marketplace, learn, and resources. On dashboard we can manage all of our websites, and as you can see I already have two websites here, and they are totally responsible and it's pretty used to make it for you. And in the right top corner we have our account settings where we can find some billings and so on. So let's click on a new site here in the right central corner and then we'll come to this page where we can easily use our template. So firstly, let's try to delete one of my websites so we are able to create a new website, and I'll show you the process. So it has some errors here, so let's wait for a little. We're going to delete forever. And yeah, as you can see, we now simply click on new site, and here we are on our templates page where we can start it from scratch, or we can easily choose some of their templates, for example portfolio, business, and store, or we can easily use the paid ones and free ones. As you can see, if you're going to buy some templates, you can easily understand that they are already responsive, and it's pretty easy to use them on different devices because everything is created and adopted to different devices. But moreover, if you're going to use free templates, we'll also find all the features we can easily adopt. So if you click on, for example, this one here, we can easily go to this page, to our editing page, and we can recognize that every single part of this template is adopted to different devices, and it's pretty cool. So let's take for a little, and as you can see in the top of the screen, we can easily switch between devices, from computer to laptop to tablet to mobile phone, and it looks like this, and it's pretty cool. As you can see, while we are creating it wider, it's still adopted, and it's pretty cool. We can switch to tablet and the steps are quite the same. Everything is pretty good and it looks pretty cool. So basically, if you're going to use the templates and customize them, we don't have to optimize, don't have to create some responsive changes or do some other stuff. So we can simply use the editor. Here we can change some elements, for example, manage the structure with navigator and do some other stuff, change the elements in the right, this properties area, simply change every single part here. So you don't have to create something special because the templates are pretty optimized, and it's pretty cool. So let's go back to dashboard and we'll come back to this page here. So I'm just going to delete this website to show you some other stuff. So if you're going to create it from the scratch, if you click on a new site, we can find that we have some starters here, and if you are going to use some of them, for example these portfolio starter, if you click on select, we can easily create a website. And as you can see, it looks like this. We have some blank project with some text, with a default structure of portfolio website with our works, with some contact page here. So if you'll try to switch between different devices, for example for tablet, as you can see, it's also adopted and it's pretty cool. If you'll come to this view, it also looks pretty cool. And for the mobile phone, for example, it also looks like this. So all I wanted to show you is that we can easily don't be scared about creating a responsive website, because Webflow provides us the opportunity. They create it automatically, and it's pretty cool. So we can simply just view it like this, and as you can see, everything is pretty cool. We can switch between like different white, and all the features are still saved. So for example, if you're going to scroll down, we can see that every single part of navigation is looks good, and it's adopted to the size of device. So all we need to do is just to customize it simply by these corners here. We can add the components, manage some pages, change the properties, and all the changes will be automatically responsive to different devices. And it's, as for the Webflow, it's a huge advantage, but we don't have to, like, you know, change something. For example, if you like to change this one here, we are going to maybe centralize it to the center. And if you're going to switch, as you can see, it's still in the center. Everything is basically looks good. All the, even like our media with images or videos is also optimized. As you can see, some of the parts could be like a little bit hidden, but they are still available. And as you can see, even like 2 columns switch to like 1 column, and it's pretty cool as for me. So in order to publish this website, we just simply need to click on publish in the right top corner here. So we can choose even their domain with webflow.io subdomain, or we can add the custom. And if you'll click on publish to selected domains, in a few seconds everything will be done. And basically this is a way of how can we publish our responsive website to the internet. And in a few seconds everything is done. Basically we can just simply visit it, we can try to resize, and everything will be pretty responsible. And as for me, it's pretty cool. And as you can see in the like paid plans, we can easily find the free plan, so we don't have even to pay. So we can easily use like Webflow.io domain, 50 CMS items, like 50 form submissions, and 1 GB of bandwidth. But of course, if you're interested in working with Webflow, you can easily buy the subscription, like different plans with basic $40 per month, CMS with $23 per month, and the business with $39 per month. So you can easily find the differences right up here. As you can see, every single like parameter has some differences in different plan. So as for me, CMS is the most popular, so you can easily try it for free, and after that you can decide which one is the best for you. So I suggest you to try it because they provide us the opportunity to create the responsible website from scratch, and basically it's pretty cool. So here we are. This is a way of how to create responsive website on Webflow. Hope guys this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.